guys, what's up? And welcome to episode 2 of Cooking with Seabass. I just wanted to preface this video with a little bit of a disclaimer. Cooking can be fun, but also can be dangerous, as a variety of things can be harmful to you. I've definitely burned myself a couple of times, even in this kitchen. But I feel like as long as you have the right kind of attitude and mindset and you're aware of all these dangers, then you should be fine. So I've created a little bit of a PSA, if you will, of our safety tips. Some safety tips that you should be able to bring in the cooking place with you. So last time on Cooking with Seabass, we did some pizza, and we're gonna stay on that same, Italiano theme. So we're gonna do some pasta today, actually. Specifically, we're gonna do some spaghetti and meat sauce. So first off, we have some meat. I don't know what's in it. I bought it. And we have some Parmesan cheese. It's what I'll probably put on the end. We have some salt for the seasoning. So our first step here, we're gonna take a little pot. And we're gonna, get it full of some nice hot water. We wanna get it halfway. We want enough space for the pasta to sit in there. So then we're gonna throw that on the stove, and we're gonna turn it on once I figure out which one it's goes to. Oh, there it is. There we go. You want that to heat up to a boil. At this part of the process, I also like to add some oil into here. It'll stop the spaghetti once we put it in here, to stop it from clumping up. So as we wait for that to start, we're also gonna start our meat cooking process. So we're gonna, put some oil at the bottom of here. So here we go. Then we're gonna take the meat that we have, we're gonna put it on there, but we wanna break it up a little bit. We don't want it to be all clumpy, all bunched together, so I'm gonna start putting some pieces in there. So we're gonna add a little bit of the garlic on here. Also over here. So we're gonna add our pizza sauce here. That's obviously gonna cool it down a little bit, so it might stop bubbling. And again, spread it out nice and even. So this is how we're gonna mix our meats and our sauce right now. I don't want to move the camera, so I'm just gonna talk to you guys from down here. This process could take anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes, so this is probably the most tedious part of it, but it's also great fun because you could do a lot of things while you're waiting for this. You could read a book, you could talk to friends if you have any. That's me. But you can also do a lot of things while you're waiting. You can, read a book. Maybe talk to some friends. As all my friends are here. Phil, how are you? Anyway, as we continue to do our thing. So it looks like our water's just about ready to go here, so we're gonna take this lid off, put it in this neat little holder that I have, and then since our pasta is a little bit too big, you can do one of two things. You can either break it in half, or you can just push it in, and then you have to make sure you get all the rest of it in, which is what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna lay that in. So now I'm gonna put a little bit more oil in here. We gotta make sure we push in the rest of this pasta. Make sure we get all of it in. We don't want some of it cooked for a little bit longer than the other side. So So as we wait for this pasta to cook, enjoy this little time lapse of me playing soccer in Manhattan. And we want to look just at the end of it. Want to see just in the middle that it's nice and firm. You want to take a little bite out of it, so you can see. Where's the camera? You can see just in the middle, it's a little bit not cooked. That's exactly what we want. It's al dente. So now we're gonna take our pasta and we're gonna put it through a strainer. Want to get rid of all the water. Want to add some pepper afterwards. Make sure not to splash yourself because this will burn if you get it on yourself. There we go. So now for my favorite step of this process, we're going to be putting in the pasta. Oh my gosh. We're going to be putting our pasta into the bowl. Oh, I made a lot of pasta for just myself. Anyway, then we're going to be moving our meat also into here. Make sure, again, do not hurt yourself. I am not liable. So we gotta get this meat sauce in there. Oh, don't overflow. There we go. And then, again, with a fork, which I lost my fork. There it is. We wanna thoroughly mix the two. You want to make sure sauce is evenly distributed throughout this bowl of pasta. And I just spilled some. Great. Well, I can tell you, the meat is very good. And there we go. Well, we're just about done here. Really all we got left is to eat it. Our little taste test here. Smells divine, I'd like to tell you that. Tastes great too. I could have this every day. I would not mind that. It's very good, actually. Really get that spread out. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode 2. If you have any other video requests like food or anything else, I have a couple of new ideas in the works that I can do next time. But if you guys have any ideas, put them in the comments. Like the video, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed. Keep being the best people you can be, and just live your best lives.